Fire.
It looks blue on my camera.
That's the fire. Right there.
Pose,
Let's
Sean.
see if I can get Tim in there. Yeah.
Go over there on that side.
Are you going to push me into fire? Am I
No, just go on the other side so I can take your picture.
You gonna sacrifice me?
That's awesome, man.
We need to light this inside the trailer. What do you think? Woohoo!
Over a little bit more. All right, perfect. Stop. Turn towards me. Do it again.
Cool? This would be a cool Halloween photo if we had like a stand where it looks like I'm a witch hanging in the fire. But it'd be an optical illusion because you'd shoot it from in front of the fire, and the stand would be behind it where it's not actually in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looked like you guys were burning me alive. God, I wonder. I bet Bev's dumbass would believe it's me. You're burning Tay alive. And then you could see his mom's idea. Gotta sacrifice the babies or something, you know.
The only thing I don't like is the, oh, actually the embers aren't going that far.
No, I'm gonna go get that the barbecue thing. Look at how it lights the whole
You should go grab the chairs.
Huh?
Chair.
Why? It's going to be out in 5 minutes.
Really?
Yes. I just don't like it going over that way.
At least we have a big old barricade there. I kind of like it. It's like a wall, like a fortress.
Yeah.
If we made it a little bit higher, we could have our own little military thing. Ooh. You don't want to sit here for 5 minutes?
I'm cool. I'll just stand.
I just hate standing. Ah, nice. I'm grabbing my chair.
Are you gonna bring it over?
Yeah.
You better hurry.
Me?
I'm telling you, this is going to go away in a couple minutes.
It's gonna last, I think, about 30 minutes. You want one of these?
Huh? No, I'm good. Thank you, though. Did you clean those?
No, I didn't.
You should just put them right in the fire real quick.
I know.
Ooh. Ooh.
I wish I had chopsticks. I remember I used to use chopsticks to just plop it in there over the stove at the house.
You know what I just thought of? Something that would be kind of cool?
Birds.
Is throw everything in the pit and light it on fire.
You can throw my mom in there. Woo, woo, woo. Watch her squirm.
You're on video.
Right on video. Hey, Bev. Stop watching my stuff, loser. Get a life. Oh, wait. Is that a live recording?
Yes.
Oh, well, I don't really care. Burn the world. Me and my pitchfork.
Nice fire, huh?
Warm your thing up on the fire there before you eat it.
Oh.
Is it all the way
wait a
metal?
minute.
Sean, are they all the way metal?
It's all the way metal.
Ooh.
It's like a meat skewer.
Ooh.
That's hot.
Yeah, Sean.
There you
Be
go.
careful, buddy.
Let it cool down.
I'm gonna give it a minute and I'm gonna do it nicely.
Holy Jesus, it went that red hot that fast?
Huh?
I said it went that, I seen it was red. What are you doing there?
I was trying to see if it'd melt my cup a little bit.
Yeah, there you go. You're going to melt plastic on it before you use to eat your marshmallow off
Actually,
of
this
it.
is foam, so
That's almost too hot to even get near, you know that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna do it for now. I'm gonna wait a minute. What
Come
is
on,
that
Sean.
noise?
That's hot, dude.
Sean, be careful. Sean, you know what you do?
That's
Sean,
hot.
use my stick and put it on your stick so it's longer.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. We have this thing right here.
Yeah, but it won't work.
You okay, Smoochies?
This is too much. That's intense.
You do
heat.
realize Smoochie's an animal, and most animals are frightened by fires.
Mine's cooked enough.
Even if
anyway.
Smoochie's a special stinker.
Sean just ate his marshmallow
Smoochies,
anyways.
come here, I love you.
I'm good.
Aw.
There, you got to catch it on fire, buddy.
Yeah, Smoochies, jump in the fire right now. Aw.
It's too damn hot.
There, give me your stick. Give me your marshmallow. Put one on there. There, give me the bottom. Put your own marshmallow on the top. Hurry up before I change my mind.
I remember what
Just do it.
Richie said about the random sticks being thrown in there.
Please put your marshmallow on here.
Here, you could use it then.
I'm making this for you.
Okay. I don't really
I'm gonna leave this right here.
want one. Put it on yourself there. Dad touches it 2 minutes later.
I didn't want to, but I didn't want it to fall off.
Whatever your dad's touched, so he'll. It's hot, huh, Tim?
Oh yeah.
Like, whoa.
There you go, Thea. Twirling around. It killed any germs that I had.
Not enough. One side's not even charred. No, I'm kidding.
There's a lot smaller than the last ones we made.
That's true. I like that noise.
The
What's
fire's
that
a
noise?
lot bigger than the last ones you made, huh?
Here, Sean.
Yes and no.
What's that?
Were you able to burn yours?
Oh yeah, I got mine cooked
Hey, go,
and
Dad.
good enough for me.
I don't want it, Thea. I made it for you.
You don't want
I
it?
cooked it.
No, take it.
You don't want it?
Got you a present, Sean.
You're good. You can eat it now.
I'll make another one another time.
All right.
I just remember it tasted weird when we used random like sticks and stuff here.
Mm-hmm. It doesn't taste weird with me.
So you got your fire. How do you feel?
Ecstasy.
All right. All right, Thea. Starting to like the camping life a little bit better?
Ooga booga!
Today was pretty good. For the most part, other than
It was good.
it's been nice.
That's been great.
I'm really thrilled.
This is a nice fire pit right here, you know? And that's only temporary.
Should I have ate it?
Do you want me to heat up the stick for you again? No, it kills all the germs. Fire is the strongest thing there is.
You think Mom wouldn't have germs if we threw her in here?
You're still on TV.
Well, we're not on TV because you're not a reporter. This is
Okay.
real life. And take me off TV because I didn't give you my consent to record me.
Yeah, you're under 18. It doesn't matter.
Hey, Mom's technically my legal guardian. I could sue you for that. Ooh.
I'll remind you of that tomorrow.
I'll sue you. I'll sue Mom. I'll do a double sue. I'll walk out with my cash. Probably not from you.
Yeah, we gotta do this again, man.
Hey, Dad, I could sell your guitar and Godzilla collection to pay for my stuff.
We have to do it again.
We have to bring the wood from down there.
Yeah. Yeah, I burn all that cactus and stuff. We should get all this stuff from up there
Mm-hmm.
and put it, you know, and burn it.
Okay.
Just get rid of it because it's an eyesore. I was going to pick it up, clean up behind the water tank today, but I didn't get that far.
Where's the smoochies? Oh, there she is.
Where's the bird?
She's over there licking her paws.
Stink.
Come here, Stinky. Smoochies! Come on, girl.
Yeah, 1 minute she's cuddling next to me, the next minute she's escaping.
Yeah.
Bless you, smoochies. I don't remember saying you can escape.
You're naked. You're naked.
Come here, my naked girl. You're so naked. No clothes on. No clothes on, smoochies.
She's not afraid of the fire.
Yeah, she's a good newbie. She listens to my dad when he plays music. She'll sit like right next to him when he's playing the drums or the
See,
guitar.
that was a perfect fire right there, you know?
Smoochies, get in the fire, get in the fire. Don't get in the fire.
And you feel, I feel
Dad,
cool
what do you think would
breeze.
happen if I threw the whole bag of marshmallows? Remember when we threw the marshmallow in the fire and it exploded?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What do you think would happen if I threw all these in there?
We threw it in there. We were with Chuck and Jody,
It
and then
expanded huge.
it just go. It was funny, dude. I never actually cooked one like that before, so it was, I'm like, man, I'm eating this. You know?
Hey man, you should have seen some of the other stuff, the chemical reaction certain stuff gives.
Oh.
It's honestly freaky.
Oh, you know what? I've seen people light a fire like this with
Turn your head just a little bit towards me, Thea.
with like 100 pack of lighters. You know, those cheap lighters.
Yeah.
And man, they pop and snap, you know, and hiss and.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I see this thing you throw in the fire and it makes the fire change colors.
Oh, I can't do it. I'm not standing in the smoke. I don't hear any howling anymore.
Yeah. They smell all that smoke and that.
Hey, Dad, you said that and Smoochie wagged her tail. She's like, I scared him away. I did it, guys. Yeah, we should make 4 fire pits all around the property because then we won't get animals. Actually, make it 5, one in the center. Because we'll get rid of like bugs and predators and stuff.
Well, when we figure out how we're gonna lay this out, I want to do a nice big, not a little
Fire
one.
pit.
No, I'm saying like.
Make one. You know, it'd be nice if you made one that you could sit around. Made it out of brick.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm talking about like if you go back like 5 feet, right?
This big around.
Yeah.
And have bench all the way around.
Yeah, exactly.
And you walk in and stand down, and in the center you have a fire pit built up.
Ooh, now it's getting smoky.
So
God,
you're
Dad,
actually
you know what sounds
protected
good?
by the wall.
Hey, Dad.
So you can get down in there, and it warms up all the rocks.
Hey, Dad, you know what my idea is?
Huh?
We can make a sauna.
Yeah, put a jacuzzi out here, Jeff.
Yeah, man.
We're signing off from Thea Ranch.